The world is in shock as a group of terrorists has taken control of large areas of Syria and Iraq.
The world can be a cruel and dangerous place. Remember, even if you're afraid, be strong. Your loving mother, Fatima.
Did your mother ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven?
She was very special.
Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
My time is near. And afterwards, my lovely Fatima, you will face many trials.
With my father no longer here to lead us, evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do. We will burn her out.
God will judge all of you.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence. Shadow will be cast across many generations to come.
It said some people are so full of faith.
They give strength to everyone around them.
The greatest thing in this life and the hereafter is the spreading of peace in the world.
Lady Fatima's goodness inspired people to stand up, no matter what the cost. Her legacy lives on.
I just don't feel the same.
You know those chicks that went away to college, the ones we never get to see? Well, they're gonna be coming out tonight, and they're gonna be horny for the holidays.
That old Christmas magic, huh?
First she jingles the bells, then it's away to the manger, and then it's joy to the world,
Like
baby.
a Bing Crosby Christmas special.
I don't want to go and get groped by a bunch of uneducated townies, no.
Thank you.
I didn't mean you.
Oh, well, that's a relief because I'd hate to be thought of as uneducated. Beth Claremont, Tony Oliverio.
Hi. Tony, remember this song?
Uh-huh. There it is.
Angelo's your best friend?
Cousin. If he wasn't, there's no way I'd hang out with him.
Oh! You don't knock? In my own house!
I put some Loki on you. It's very bad for you.
Think about the feast. On Christmas Eve, in this town, everybody is Italian. Or thinks they are.
What was Juke talking about?
The Feast of the Seven Fishes. It's something we do every Christmas Eve. All the Italians around here do it. We cook fish and we party and it's a blast. She's a really great girl, Juke.
Run the towel, Antonio!
Oh, what's the problem?
Do you remember last Christmas Eve? There's a whole lot of people out there who might not appreciate our
Idiosyncrasies.
Yeah.
You have been a very good boy, Vincent.
Frankie, how's them shrimp coming?
Almost done cleaning it.
You ain't done yet?
You know, your favorite baby brother was supposed to help.
I turn my back for 1 minute, and you guys screw up Christmas.
I got things to do.
I got things to do, too.
So I do my thing, you do your thing, and then I will do the thing. Yeah, all right.
Hey!
She's gotta go.
No, she don't.
Yes, she does.
No, she don't.
This is about to get worse.
I don't see how.
I worry about you.
I'll
there in the middle of nowhere, all by yourself. The cartels are running everything through there. Drugs, people, guns.
I don't scare easy.
I've seen darkness.
Who's the best dog in the world?
And I've seen what it can do.
I'm from Pima County Merchants Bank. Let you know that the ranches be sold at auction.
I just need a little time to sort things out.
There's a storm that's on its way.
You're never gonna make it. It's miles to the nearest road. I'll call Border Patrol.
Please, there, no.
Everybody
Mama.
gonna pay.
I come here to take the woman and the boy.
I was in the Marine Corps, so I suggest you all turn around and adios.
I'm a soldier too. My orders are to take them back with me.
Sir, help him, please.
You're not safe here. Let's go.
What the hell were you thinking taking that kid?
They were gonna kill him. They were waiting for him at the border. You damn well ought to appreciate what I'm doing for you.
If you want to help me, you take me back. I'll find my own way home.
I'm taking you to your family in Chicago. After that, I don't care what you do.
The man you saw at the border is from the Vasquez cartel. He'll find you. When he does, he will kill you.
This kid didn't bring any of this on himself. He just needs someone to give him a chance.
Do you think I'll like it in Chicago?
There are good times ahead for you, Miguel.
He's your grandson?
No, his mother asked me to look after him.
She must have had a lot of faith in you. Looks like you had a little incident.
Yeah.
It's game time, shiznit. You're going in and I'm keeping watch. You saw the cash. Cut the tent, break a window. Second floor bedroom, wooden dresser, bottom drawer. Whoa. Anyone see us? No, we're good. Who you headed in you? Hey, run. Get back here!
Hello?
Hello?
I'm stuck down here. I cannot get out by myself.
That man is someone else's problem.
Matt, we can't just leave him there.
You stole $12,600, but you want to get busted?
You boys are quiet today, not getting along.
My brother doesn't trust you. He thinks that you're gonna get us in trouble.
You seem like a good kid. You don't have to do everything your brother says.
I gotta wait for us to communicate with each other when I'm not here. Over.
Over.
You're out of that hole, weren't you? Visiting that man? I'll kill you too. Right down that hole.
We're running out of time.
We can't leave him to die, Matt.
Desperate men do desperate things.
God damn it, shut up!
No, you're a monster! Yo, please!
You'll thank me when it's done.
Hello?
Things have changed. He's not the boss anymore! You're the man now! Don't tell a soul what you saw here today.
Hang on. Matt, open this door. Dana, hang on. Oh, God. Matt! What did you do that for?
That's an easy fix. I have a screwdriver in the car. I thought about doing stand-up comedy. You tell jokes?
It's pretty scary to come up here. I have a friend who's been wanting to try stand-up, but he's a little chicken.
Dave is my best friend.
Go, Dave! I'm so scared right now.
Most of the time I felt like they were married, and I was just a bystander.
Hey, buddy, it's Matt. Want to see how you were doing.
Hi, Fruit. Hi, Fartface. Mom! Hi, girls. Hi, Fruit Loop.
Hey, how you feeling?
Tired. Thanks for being here.
I won't miss it.
Can we talk for a minute, Matt? It's going to get very hard. You're going to see things from Nicole never seen before.
You don't need to do this alone. I can come help you get to the other side of this.
I'd love to have you.
How long do you think you'll be up there?
I'm hoping just a couple weeks. Just want to make sure Matt gets back on his feet.
I usually make breakfast and dinner.
Maybe you can take some of that weight off. Speaking of, I was hoping you'd call me Grandma Dane.
Sure.
Molly, excuse me.
Sure, I'll call you Grandma Dane.
Thank you.
I want to make a list. I'd like to write letters to the girls for certain milestones in their lives. I want to have blue hair.
Molly, will you tell me when it's happening?
It's not happening.
Her entire life, she's wanted to be the Grand Marshal of Mardi Gras.
And I want to sing on stage with Katy Perry.
It all seems pretty doable.
Does it?
You've been gone for 3 months now. I thought that you were going to be gone for a couple weeks. What changed?
I got here and I saw that one person can't do this job.
I'm still a valid person,
Yeah, you
Matt.
are, but you gotta take
Don't get
I don't think you're this upset because I'm late.
What's happening to Mom?
I think you're mad because Mom is sick.
Why are you so hard on your dad?
Molly, you've broken my body. I saw you smile.
People don't look at me when they talk to me anymore.
You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. You always will be. You know, you don't have to stick around.
Nicole's my best friend, too. I'm happy to be here.
You know him, didn't you? Then you had that one little feeling. But you waved it away. You should have listened to that one little feeling. Just like I'm listening to you now. You can talk to me. I'm all a friend you got.
You're not exactly a department favorite.
Things probably changed a lot since you left.
You still got to catch him, right?
Yeah.
Not that much has changed then, right?
I can assure you all we are taking a 24/7 all-hands-on-deck approach to these cases.
Guy's a shark. If he stops, he dies. He likes to drive. Probably has a decent car, maybe 2, high mileage.
You must really like my car.
I do. How's the trunk space?
Something I gotta know. How's a guy with the best clearance rate in the department work 15 years without a promotion?
Maybe I didn't go to the right church.
When I look in your eyes, what I see, it ain't good.
He knew all the details, but he wasn't within 10 miles of the killing.
Why is that? Why is that?
How's the trunk space?
What do you want?
I want to nail the bastard.
For who?
For all of the girls he killed.
I want to nail him too. Difference is, I'm doing it for me. It's the little things, Jimmy. It's the little things that rip you apart. It's the little things that get you caught.
So you have to find the 3 brightest lights there that make the triangle.
These ones?
Mm-hmm. And that's where the Milky Way is.
It's good to get back on the road again, don't you think? But how about just exploring the outer regions of fifth gear? How are you? I thought we'd have a party.
I'm on the edge. All right. If you had one wish in the world, what would it be?
I wish this holiday wouldn't end.
So, can you tell that it's gotten worse?
I'd like to make a speech. Well, maybe Sam will do it for me. I'd love to. Why don't you do it for me?
Now, as most of you will know, I am slowly losing my ability to remember. And I definitely wouldn't be here if it weren't for this man next to me.
I want to be remembered for who I was, and not for who I'm about to become. It's not fair to you.
It's not about fair, it's about love.
No, Sam.
I want to see this through with you to the end. Costa!
Hey, sorry.
You know, a very wise man once said, "We will not starve for lack of wonders, but from lack of wonder."